Hey, it's Kingfish Outdoors, Arokwe, and today I have something unique to show you guys, something special. Uh, a species of South America, very beautiful snake. It's the emerald tree boa. It's a very rare snake, I should say. Alright guys, here is the emerald boa. I'm about to pull it. You wanna press the head down like this gently. Pull right down here. Like that. Well, it's a constrictor as well. Take a look at those teeth there, those fangs. Take a look at that. As you can see, it gripped my hand real tight there. And this is a nice one. This is a real nice one. It's clean, it's fat, and it's kind of vicious. As we said, cross, probably. And it's a female also. Probably she's pregnant. I don't know. And don't know, this is the Arwakwe. Take a look at that.